This is my Father's world, and to my listening ear, all nature sings and round me rings the music of the spheres. This is my Father's world, He shines in all that's fair. In the rustling grass I hear Him pass, He speaks to me everywhere. This is my Father's world. The birds their carol raise, the morning light, the lilies bright, declare their Maker's praise. This is my Father's world. Why should my heart be sad? The Lord is King, let the heavens ring. God reigns, let the earth be glad. This is my Father's world. He shines in all that's fair. In the rustling grass I hear Him pass. He speaks to me everywhere. This is my Father's world. The saints have blossomed bright. I love, forgive, and I bless God's faithful witness. This is my Father's world. He shines in all that's fair. In the rustling grass I hear Him pass. He speaks to me everywhere. Amen. Happy Sabbath, all my faithful friends. God bless you. See you later. Bye.